So today is the first main day of harvest, and we've been going since about 5:30 this morning. So today we've just been harvesting one row of Cascade down here. We've started from the bottom of the paddock and worked our way up, and we've done about half of that row. So what we do is physically cut the bines down at the top and the bottom, put them in a wheelbarrow, and then bring them up here to our little mini harvester. So as you can see just over here, we've harvested so far like nearly 40 kilos of wet hops, and we're aiming to do 50 today. So the top of the machine is the picking fingers, so that's stripping cones and leaves. Now they're slowly coming down this chute into what's called the trommel, the rotating cylinder that's perforated. So we often manually have to assist the process by pulling the leaves and the cones down. As you can see on this final layer like of classification, this is mesh conveyor with fans underneath it. The fans are pulling down, so as the cones and leaves drop onto it, the theory is that the cones roll one way with a little bit of assistance from Marco on the broom, and the leaves sit on the conveyor and go the other way. It's the most basic form of harvester there is, but yeah, it works pretty well. And so after the hops have come out of the harvester, we normally just collect them in big tote boxes like this. Normally the brewery staff are coming out that day, or we're delivering it to the brewery. So normally we transfer the hops into big onion bags, tie them up, put a label on them, 4 or 5 kilos per bag, and then yeah, away they go and job done, like fresh hop beer coming up.